Hello everyone, my name is Dekyong from STS Gurupura studying in class 10. The name of my project is Diverse Friendly Headlight. Why I make this project? Because whenever I go out with my father, he always feels uncomfortable because of the light flashing on his eyes from the opposite vehicles. Not only my father, everyone feels uncomfortable. It may cause serious accident or even death. After that, I researched if there is any material that can cope the flashlight, and I found there is goggle which can cope the flashlight. And also, I did research on road transport of India, and I found very important data. In this table, you can see the total number of accidents, fatalities and persons injured during 2016 to 2021. In 2016, the number of accidents is 480,652. 2017, it has been decreased 18, increased 2019, decreased 20, decreased 2021, it has been increased. In this chart, you can see the trend in number of fatal accidents between 2016 to 2021. In 2021, it has been increased with number of 1,42,163. In this table, you can see the total number of accidents, persons killed and injured by category of road. In National Highway, the accidents in percentage is 31.2%. In State Highway, 23.4%. Other roads, 45.4%. If we compare accident in highways and other roads, highway accident is 54.6%, other road 45.4%. Accident in highway is more than other roads. So I think one factor of the accident on the highway may be because of the light flashing onto a driver's eyes from the opposite vehicles. Therefore, I experiment with different headlight shape if it matter or not. I did experiment with different shape. First we'll do the circle headlight shape. The distance traveled by the circle headlight is 12 cm. Now we'll do with the square headlight. The distance traveled by the square headlight is 5 cm. Now we'll do 1/3 cover of square. The distance traveled by the 1/3 cover of square is 1 cm. At last, I came to know that the third one is most effective one, which is 1/3 cover of square. The advantage of this headlight is less accident, less damage to the properties. I would like to conclude by saying I made this project totally out of my curiosity. I hope I can bring some changes